Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing French fry nachos. We're using Ore-Ida golden crispy crowns. You can use tater tots. You can use waffle fries. I had these at a party using waffle fries, so now I'm stealing the idea. Take that, friend! We're going to start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees, and we're going to lubricate our cookie sheet. Then I'm just going to pour the whole bag on the sheet. Pretty neat, pretty good, right? Try to get as close to a single layer as you can. These are good because they're flat and you can top them like nachos. They're kind of a smushed down tater tot. At the party I went to, they used waffle fries. I highly recommend using the waffle fry. They're bigger. Didn't use them here because the store I went to didn't have them and I'm lazy. It's the middle of the week. It's 2 days before Thanksgiving and I want something in my belly now. So I'm going to put this in the oven for 23 to 25 minutes. Cast iron, a little bit of oil. We're going to use chorizo. You can use any kind of meat you want for this. You can use chicken, you can use steak, you can use ground beef probably if you want. Anything that you would use on nachos, you can use for this. So why chorizo? Because it's already spiced. I don't got to think about it. This is assembly more than cooking. This is a great party food. This is a great weeknight dinner. I'm going to go ahead and start slapping my chorizo down. Make sure you tend to your chorizo. And we're just making sure that we move it around, getting some good color on it, all those things. No matter how you do this, somebody's going to finish early. Take those ones off first. Ignore the smoke, it's fine. Unless it's actively on fire, then this is not legal advice. Once they're all finished, we're going to start sausage slicing. Now, note that some of them are more done than others because I'm doing a whole plate at once. But some of these are going back in. You have options. You could nacho top these right where they're sitting right now. I'm not going to do that because I'm not having a party. Instead, I'm going to get out my half sheet, which I've given a little spritz with Pam. And I'm going to put my potato crowns on that. Pro tip, with Thanksgiving coming tomorrow, a half sheet makes a great holiday plate. I'm going to cut these up a little bit more. Honestly, you want to make a slice and cut it in half, maybe even in fourths. If these were waffle fries, that would be perfect. You might need to take them down a little bit just because they are not waffle fries. They're smaller than that. Don't forget that you're hosting a cooking show. You should probably turn the fan off. Begin to top. Obviously, if you have company, don't use your fingers like some sort of savage or heathen. Add some salt before I forget. Add your cheese. This is medium cheddar because I like medium and I like cheddar. Salsa. You can also add things like black olives or whatever you put on your nachos. I tend to go for Midwestern toppings for on actual nachos, but today I'm going a little bit more mainstream. Pickled jalapenos. You could slice up jalapenos and serve them, but again, we're going for the laziest meal possible. Then I'm going to stick this in the oven for another 3 to 5 minutes. Season the rest of the tots while they're still warm. Yes, that was a lot of salt, but again, they're like French fries. They need a lot of salt. Pull it out once your cheese is melty and your toppings are warmed through. Serve with salsa and sour cream on the side. Okay, like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below so I know you're listening. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye. And you can serve it right off this platter.